So what exactly is this?
Do you know a little bit of Lego education?
We are like for education, I don't know quite really, but Lego as a brand, I use it like when I was child.
Of course. So, we are Lego Education, and we design Lego sets for schools.
Okay.
We have different sets for different grade bands also.
Okay.
In this case, this is Lego Education Spike Essential.
Okay.
This is for primary school,
Okay.
and it covers STEAM. So science, technology, engineering, mathematics, arts. This product is designed for 2 students per set,
Okay.
and they use a smart device, an iPad. to
Scratch.
present-
We are using a
looks like
Scratch over here. Yeah. Okay. That's right.
Also to present the content. So when they come to the units, you have like 8 different units, and when we choose one of them, we are going to have some lessons. One key element in this set is that you have like 4 minifigures, and all the challenge, all the lessons, they are stories related to these minifigures. So
Okay.
there is a lot of empathy, a lot of like trying to understand the needs of another person.
Okay.
And every time that the students need to design something, they are designing for someone else.
Okay.
It means that we have also some of the minifigures with special needs. So in this case, we have a wheelchair. So when they're designing something, in one of the units, it's this one that is amusement park, and they design like from the ticket to the different rides. In this case, we can go for this classic carousel, and you can see here that we start engaging the students with a short story. In this case, we have Sophie, and she's going to the amusement park, and she wants to have some fun in some spinning rides, and we are going to help Sophie to achieve that. So we have the build instructions in the iPad,
Okay.
where the students will follow each step to build a model. All the models, they are designed to be really short because we want the lesson to happen in 45 minutes. It means that they will build this, but at the same time, during the lesson, they will code. So there is also computer science. And when they are done with the code, with the exploration of that model, we always want to create space for creativity. So they can do with the coding, so creating different actions, maybe adding a sensor, but the idea is that they can also, sorry. They can also be inspired to build different models with
Okay.
the same. So the idea is that they can have like build different rides for Sophie or for their friends.
Okay.
Each lesson will bring different concepts, different topics, different standards to cover, but they will always create space for creativity, for them to build and bring their own solutions. As I said, this one is for primary, so you can see there is a lot of Lego bricks that we know,
Yeah.
but also some portion of technique bricks to bring in new functions, to create more sophisticated mechanisms. In this set, you have one hub, that is this one.
Okay.
This hub has 2 ports where you can connect sensors and outputs. The outputs are motor sensors, but you can also have RGB matrix. This RGB matrix, I will just connect it here so you can have a look how it. You can play with. Let me just. And with the RGB matrix, we can. We can set up in different colors. And when
Wow.
you can see here. And imagine that here I have all the blocks available, but each lesson will present only the blocks that they need for that lesson.
Okay.
And if you have students that want to go on, move on, you can open for all the catalog that they have. But imagine that we can do something
Okay.
this and
Let me bring my